Relascope is a very useful tool to determine the basal area of the forest site, providing a good method to quantify the living stock. The MobileForester provides you a digital version of Relascope. During the measurement, you can set an unlimited number of tree species for the dominant and also for the secondary stand. The radar and the azimuth help you to position the trunks. After measuring the average tree height and diameter, you will get the integrated value of basal as well as the wood volume.